How to link Epic Games account to PS5 Fortnite. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can link Fortnite with your Epic Games account. It doesn't matter the console, you are gonna link Fortnite with your Epic Games account. So I have here an article of how do I link my console account. So what you must do first of all is launch Fortnite on your console. Then click on link an account, as you can see here in the image, and then enter the code. Here you're going to receive a code on your screen on your console. So you must go now into Epic Games / activate. What I did was just go into my Google and Epic Games / activate, and you must click on the first link, continue on this device, and that link you obtain in your game on Fortnite, you're gonna type it here. Okay, so you must just type it, click on continue, and in that way you're gonna be able to play. Probably if you have not signed in into your computer, so you are gonna be asked for signing into your Epic Games account. But as you can see here, I already have my username, so it is just to type my code, click on continue, and that's it. And in that way a confirmation message will appear and you're gonna be able to play on your console. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.